Hey everyone, it's Adam here. This is an exciting day because starting the first installment in a series of ACT prep videos. This will basically be a free online tutoring class. This video and the videos following this will mainly focus on the math portion for now. I'll be using the Real ACT Prep Guide. All the problems you see will be directly from them. I didn't create anything. All belongs to them, so hopefully they don't sue me or anything. Everything you see will belong to them. I suggest you work out the problems first in the book, and then come see this if you have any problems, questions, or you need any additional review. But okay, I'll be starting on page 164. Oh, and feel free to buy the book, but I'll be writing out all the problems anyways. So I'll be starting on page 164 with question number 1. Okay, so it says Kaya ran 1 2/5 miles on Monday and 2 1/3 miles on Tuesday. What is the total distance in miles Kaya ran during those 2 days? So basically, on Monday she ran 1 2/5 miles. On Tuesday she ran 2 1/3 mile, and it wants to know the total distance that she ran. So basically the total will be the sum of the running that she did in each day. So you're basically just going to add these two numbers together. But you have to remember, with fractions you need common denominators. This one's the denominator is the number on the bottom, by the way. So this one's a 5 and this one's a 3. So they don't really match up. And that's the one thing you need to remember when you're adding fractions. They need common denominators. So 1 2/5 plus 2 1/3. Okay, so the first thing I would do in solving this is change these fractions into improper fractions. And to do that, you take the number out in front, multiply it by the bottom, and then add the top number. So 1 times 5, 5, plus 2, 7. And then you always keep the denominator the same. So 7/5. And this is the same thing as this, because 5 goes into 7 1 2/5 times. So let's do the same to the next one. 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. So 7/3. So now we can find the least common denominator. So what's the least common denominator between 5 and 3? That's right, it's 15. So we're going to want 15 at the bottom of both of these fractions when we transform them. So to get from 5 to 15, what did we do to this? That's right, we multiplied it by 3. We multiplied this by 3. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 7 equals 21. What did we get, or how did we get from 3 to 15? We multiply this by 5. 3 times 5, 15. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now we can just add right across the top. That equals 56. And when you're adding fractions, you always keep the bottom the same, the denominator the same. So 56/15. So that's the total miles she ran. But the answers want it in mixed number form, so we have to transform this back to one of these styles of numbers. So 15 goes into 56 3 times with 11 left over. 11 out of 15. And lo and behold, 3 11/15 is the answer. That's all the time I have for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.